Get my reps in, so I go out there and hand him a butt whooping on our test day.
Yeah.
Working on cars. Yeah. So Joe, so I guess backstory. Me and Joe have known each other for like, I don't know, 12 years drifting, and I started in Myrtle Beach Drift at Myrtle Beach Speedway, and he was killing it, drove for a few years, got his Formula Drift license, and made me proud. And so he borrowed the car last week, and we changed seats, and obviously he's got an inch or two on me. So right now we're just putting the seat back where it was. It's been so long since I've had the seat out of my car, I couldn't remember exactly where it was. So he's kind of dialing it in back where it was. That's what we got going on right now.
My name is Joseph Love. I was just out here testing with Jonathan Aaron and a couple of the boys, doing some Klutch Kickers prep before we go out for round one.
What's the main thing you're needing to test today?
The whole car. The same car we brought out for round one last year blew up. And first race it's making back to is this one.
My boy Wade, give it up.
Do some testing on some new suspension setups, new front end, angle shift, all that sort of jazz. Get some tandems in, just have a good time.
I'm Daniel. I'm here with Joe Love Racing. As a secondary driver, I'm driving a 350Z today. Just giving them some practice behind some slower cars so they can get ready for Klutch Kickers next weekend, because there's a mix of cars. We've got slow cars, fast cars, so if they can get a little practice with slow and fast, maybe they'll have an advantage for next weekend.
Jason Richards, man. I'm out here with the bros, Joseph Love, Jonathan Aaron. I've just known these guys forever. I've known Joseph Love growing up since he was a little kid. He's rode my dirt bikes, drove my go-karts, man. Hell of a driver. We got introduced to Jonathan Aaron at Myrtle Beach Drift. He's just had a hell of a team going on. We all just hit it off, worked good together, and just feed off each other's energies.
first tandem run of the day with my boy Wade. And we went pretty aggressive on our changes, front and rear shock settings. And because we got the front end where we wanted with the Wisefab, and so we started playing with shock, and we're going to be playing with some different toe sets in the rear and some a couple other things as our runs progressed. And but yeah, that time my buddy Wade. He's a veteran in the sport. He knows what's going on, so I could put my trust into putting the car right up on him. So hopefully that tandem looked dope. It felt good in the car, so hopefully it felt good outside the car, or looked good outside the car.
Alright, how'd they go, man?
Today, from my perspective, was an absolute success and the best day I've had drifting. We had some different issues haunting us all year with power steering and some different things like that, and I feel like we threw the book at it and finally got it figured out. And see, a lot of things for that was Joe last week when he drove my car. They came up and we decided to put a fourth power steering pump on there, and we just had some different issues with some gravity feed pumps and different things like that, and even an old pump that was known good. We just had a lot of setup changes with the car this year, with or even just the engine setup. We had a lot more weight up front, the bigger blower and iron block, so we were just getting through some different issues with that, I guess, and some demons showed their face. I don't know what all it was, but all I know is the day was amazing. So the whole goal today was get our cars ready for Klutch Kickers. I think we had 6 cars out here, give or take, and everybody's a good driver, so they're on mine and Joe's team. They're killers.